Here's your weather video for this Sunday, May the 8th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray, and happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. Thanks for everything that you do for each and every one of us, and I hope you have a great day today. Getting off to a chilly start across Alabama, at least by May standards. Temperatures across Tennessee Valley in the upper 40s, some mid 40s out there. Some of the colder locations, lower 50s across parts of central Alabama this morning. And so that is belying the fact that we're going to be much above normal the next several days. So enjoy it while you can. A pleasant early May day. Upper pattern across North America shows the feature that is responsible for the cooler temperatures, this trough that's moving off the east coast. That upper low that is really not closed off right now will sort of close itself off and rotate around to the in a clockwise fashion back toward Florida over the next several days. So we'll continue to be a player in our weather. 80 today, then middle 80s on Monday. Will be in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees Tuesday through Thursday. Bit of a cool off Friday and Saturday as that low makes its way back around here. But you can see toward the end of the period, then the 18th, and we'll talk about that more in a minute. Even warmer conditions coming. Forecast highs today will be near or above record highs for the day across all of Texas, into Louisiana, even to southwestern Mississippi. Several highs broken yesterday, including 107 degrees at Del Rio, smashing their old record there. And more heat is in store for a large part of the area today. There, west of the Dallas metro area, Abilene expected to hit 103 today. Heat advisories across much of New Mexico, which is kind of unusual. Over into California, also lots of red flag warnings. Also, some colder weather though. When you have really a high amplitude pattern producing, warm temperatures in one region, you're going to have cold temperatures to balance it out in another. Parts of California, winter weather advisories for the Sierra Nevada mountains. Some freeze warnings in effect out there. They're expecting 5 to 10 inches of snow in parts of the Sierra Nevada, and that's not bad because they can always use a little extra snowpack. And some frost advisories over western New York, parts of Vermont as well. Let's go to the models. The GFS, our model of choice today, looking for the next several days. Today, your Sunday forecast across Alabama. Mostly sunny, a few clouds still hanging out on the wraparound side of that upper low, and departing surface low there to the east of Alabama. But as we said, today will be a warm day with highs in the upper 70s north to the lower 80s across central Alabama. Pleasant night tonight, right around normal, 58 the morning low. Tomorrow will be 85 by Monday afternoon. You can see Alabama in a nice southerly flow, beginning to give us some slowly increasing humidities and fair conditions, but we stay dry on Monday. As a matter of fact, we'll stay dry until at least Friday. Here's Tuesday, dry, warm, temperatures approaching the upper 80s to near 90. Wednesday, a lot of places will hit 90. As you can see, though, dry across Alabama. That same pattern continues on Tuesday with dry conditions across the state. But look at the low, it's making its way back. And by Friday, it'll be over central Florida. As it does, moisture will push back into Alabama from the east, and the circulation around that low, and that should cool us off just a bit. Friday highs will drop back to the middle and upper 80s, and then showers will be increasing on Saturday as that low makes its way further into the southeast. Fairly widespread coverage of showers, not heavy amounts though. We'll see mid to upper 80s on Saturday. And then on Sunday, sort of a confluence of a low to the west and that leftover moisture working its way over the southern United States, being pretty widespread rain chances with highs in the middle to upper 80s. Again, we go out to that Monday the 20th. This will be the end of the period, Monday the 23rd. We're going to be pushing 95 degrees by this time, and this will be the sort of typical afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms making their way back into the forecast right on time as we get ready to leave the merry month of May. Weather brains tomorrow night. We'll be talking to Eric Sorensen, who's a meteorologist who's running for Congress. We'll have to see what he has to say. That could be an interesting show tomorrow night on Weather Brains, the weekly netcast that's all about weather. Well, that's your Mother's Day edition of the Weather Extreme video. I'll have notes on the blog, a complete update on the forecast coming up at noon. James, I have 2 days all week. Scott will be here next Saturday. I'll see you Sunday. And until I get that chance, as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something fun to look at.